Hello everyone and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. So we're looking at the New Zealand dollar to the US dollar. So this one is actually a pretty tricky one because we do have a short-term bias towards the downside, but we do have a higher time frame bias towards the upside. So I will be considering both options here, and this one actually is quite of a rare place because the zone that we're looking at, we can actually take an opportunity towards the upside or downside. It just really depends upon price action. So what I will suggest is you need to give this some time before you jump into this pair. Okay, so what I'm looking at here is just the short-term bias of a sell. So the reason being is because we've got multiple rejections from this level. This is indicating, we're not looking to push higher, but from the previous higher time frame, we have this huge structure towards the upside. Okay, so you can see this here, strong momentum, the slow pullback followed by again that stronger momentum. So we could be looking at just a simple phase of a pullback. Okay, so what I will be looking is to see if this will act as a form of support. So again, I want to see some price to reject this area a bit more clearly, just like we have done here. But I potentially will be looking for one more retest in this zone, and then I will be looking for that indecision, and then we will be anticipating that push towards the upside. Okay, so this is the zone obviously where we're looking to buy, but now this is what it would look like if we're looking to sell, and we're going to be selling from this same zone. So for us to consider this, we have to make sure that the first step is important. So I'll just do it on the side here. So if price opens on the Monday and the start of the week, we get a big 4-hour closure to the downside. Okay, so what is this actually telling us? Well, this is just that the market is potentially shifting towards a downside as this area here is rejected strongly, and other people do see that. So if this does push down further than this zone here, I will be looking for a pullback and then a form of indecision within this zone here, and again we're looking for a wick rejection on a 4-hour. On the higher the time frame, again it's the better rejection level. With a small rectangular body, that's what we're looking for, and then we want to see that momentum creep back into the market to sell. So this would be the selling condition where we have to make sure we have that full 4-hour closure to the downside before we consider. But for now, we could be potentially buying, and that's if this level holds. Okay, so the range that we're looking at to potentially buy or sell from is at 0.61661 to 0.61437. Okay, so if there are any changes or advancements with this pair, we will of course provide that video for you. If you're new to this channel or you are a new trader, we have a Telegram group chat. That link is in the description below. It's a private trading group. I highly recommend you to join it. You could actually learn a few things here and there. We simply provide more charts, but in an up-to-date fashion, as opposed to just watching our videos. They're more on a frequent basis, on a day-to-day. And we also give you some news events that you need to watch out for, or give you some updates in terms of fundamentals. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, I highly recommend you to check that out and join that group. Okay, if you do have a personal question for me, if you would like to ask me anything, message us on our Instagram, which is @KMTRADERS. Again, I'm more than happy to help anyone. You just have to message us and we'll reply to you at the end of the day or when it's convenient for us. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for all of our future analysis videos. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.